Hey everybody, so I was gifted one of these Capresso Steam Pros. It is a 4-cup espresso and cappuccino machine. Not a bad little machine. It runs for right around 55 bucks on Amazon. This was a gift for me though. Let's go ahead and open it up. We have our instruction manuals in a couple different languages. Here we have our portafilter. Easy to remember. You can just remember it as a coffee filter that is portable. We have our spoon and tamper. It's plastic, so it's not super durable. You could always buy an aftermarket nice, stainless steel tamper. But it does get the job done. And then here we got the main machine. Not too bad of a packing job on it. And then we got our 4-cup glass carafe. It's large enough to make pretty much 4 espresso shots. It's always so nice and shiny when it's brand new. And at the top is where you're going to put the water in. We'll dive in. I'll make a coffee and everything here in a few minutes. So this is where you'll fill up the carafe and then you'll fill up the reservoir. Definitely when you're using this, make sure there's no pressure built up before you try to open that because you will get burned. We have the slider where you can select for the frother and for the steamer, and then also you can choose your strength for your coffee. Here we have our frother control. So, I mean, it's not a huge machine. It's a little guy. It's not industrial strength by all means. It has a removable tray to be able to wash. So since I first started recording, I did notice the price was a bit higher on Amazon. There is the 303 model for the 55 range, which is actually pretty identical. The only difference I can see so far is the coloring, because it is more black. But anyway, let's go ahead and use this. We're gonna fill it up. I'm gonna use all 4, and just a little bit over the line, so we have a little extra for the steamer. We'll go ahead and place the lid on it. Now we're going to take our portafilter and get our coffee in there. I'm just going to do 1 scoop. You can always do more, or I'll do it just I'll just do the 1. I know some people like their espresso a lot stronger. I like mine strong, just not super strong. Put that in there. We're going to turn it on. It will take a couple minutes for it to heat up and then start brewing. And then I have a cup with some milk and a little bit of creamer and a little bit of the Tirani. I'll thank T-Mobile for the free Christmas cups that I've gotten for the last couple years. I do need to invest in getting a couple crafts and stuff for this. Alright, after a couple minutes it will start brewing. I'm going to let it brew up until about the 4th line. Once it's done brewing, we're going to switch over to the steam. And you will want to be careful. I should be using like a steamer carafe thing for this, but I don't have one. Don't turn it up too high at first, or you will splatter. Just like I did. But pretty much you just want to steam and froth up your milk. As soon as that's done, go ahead and turn it off. Now we can go ahead and mix it up here. Now I like to mix mine. I don't really do the whole layering and stuff. I like to, I just mix it all up. Get our espresso made. Now it didn't really froth up a whole lot. Part of it's going to depend on what you use. But anyway, simple, easy machine. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment below.